Before the implementation of the useState as a custom hook, I would like to tell you some key features about the useState. That is very important to understand its functionality, to understand its background logic. So, useState was introduced in functional components. Previously, it was not working. It was not there with the class components. So use state is used to manage the state or the personal state of a component, and the value which you pass here in the use state, that could be anything like your primitive data types, it could be your non-primitive data types like array, objects, set, map, anything. Second point, use state uses array for the destructuring the values from this function use state. And the third thing you must know about the use state is asynchronous in nature. And the fourth thing you must note about the use state is it preserves the value or the data, generally the count. It preserves this value between the renders. If you are updating with the set count, then only be count value will be updated on the next render. But if you are rendering something else, not this one, so React will preserve this value between the renders also. You must note this one as well. Also, you need to know about one important thing. If you want to control, if you want to update the value count on the basis of the previous count, so you can pass a function in the set count. Let me give you one example here. Suppose we have set count. If your value is dependent on the previous value, in that case you can pass a callback function here like previous value and then previous plus 1. Previous plus 1. So what that line is doing, you must understand about this line. It is very important thing because React batches, but we want to update our next value on the basis of the previous value. So that function, that callback will do that job only. It will update your value on the basis of the previous value only. It will not update until then. So that is the function which waits for the update and then update on the basis of the previous value only. Otherwise it will not update if you want to update like that. So these are some key features about the use state. Now let's go for the implementation. I will try to explain how use state works. Then we will understand other custom hooks which are very useful in the hook based architecture in the React Native or React kind of projects. That is very important.